In this video I'm going to show you how to edit black Moody effect in Lightroom Mobile. Let's see some preview images. Open your Lightroom mobile app and select your picture that you want to edit. Bring the exposure negative 0.33 EV. Now increase the contrast +7. Highlights 0. Increase shadow +17. Whites +7. Bring the blacks -17. Now go to curve and do this settings. Go to color. Increase the temperature +6. Tint +1. Increase the vibrance +10. Now go to saturation +1. Go to color mix, select first color. Hue 0. Saturation -10. Luminance -10. Go for second color. Hue 0. Saturation -30. Increase the luminance +15. (3D) color. Hue -100. Saturation -100. Luminance -20. Now go to fourth color, that's mean green color. Hue 0. Saturation -100. Luminance 0. Fifth color. Hue 0. Saturation -100. Luminance 0. Now sixth color. Hue 0. Saturation -100. Now luminance -30. Now go to seventh color. Hue 0. Saturation -100. Luminance 0. Now go to last color. Hue 0. Saturation -100. Luminance 0. Now go to there, and go to split tone. And follow this settings. Increase the texture +8. Clarity +10. Dehaze +16. Vignette -30. Midpoint 0. Feather 50. Roundness 0. Highlights 0. Grain amount 0. Sharpening 0. Noise reduction 0. Now this effect is complete. Now you can copy the settings and try in another image. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, learned something new, then please do subscribe and leave a comment. See you again in a new video. Till then, take care, bye bye.